Yes, it's true that anxiety, poor diet, sugary foods, diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure all are linked to arterial plaquing. But do you know what arteries do? Actually, arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. Somehow, arteries get clogged, but not just only from the cholesterol. And it is also true that half of all heart attacks happen in people with normal cholesterol. They clogged because of the inflammation which helps to create plaque in the arteries. Because of inflammation, bad cholesterol starts floating into the arteries and starts building plaque. The situation gets worse when white blood cells come into action. After all, the inflammation won't stay quiet. It will take the full control of plaque-building system and continue to attract lots of bad cholesterol. By the time, because of this arterial plaquing, the blood flow won't pass freely as before and eventually creates heart problems. So, because of the blockage, the heart will become oxygenless and can cause a massive coronary heart attack. And a stroke occurs when the blood supply to part of your brain is interrupted. But the truth is, we're responsible for this whole process. Your daily poor lifestyle, bad food choices including high cholesterol, and smoking tobacco. The only thing you can do is changing lifestyle. Just take this morning drink daily. It helps cleanse your arteries and save yourself from heart attack and other cardiovascular complications. Ingredients we need: a glass of water, 8 to 10 ounces, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of powdered cayenne pepper, a squeezed juice of half a lemon. So, let's make this drink. At the beginning, fill up a glass of water 8 to 10 ounces. Now, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. After that, you'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You can increase it 2 teaspoons, but before that you must watch out how your body reacts with 1 teaspoon of turmeric. In order to adjust and digest the turmeric, you must add a pinch of black pepper. I mean just a little amount. Black pepper contains peppery that increases the bioavailability of curcumin, which is the key anti-inflammatory compound in turmeric. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey. Don't try to use any sugar. Use stevia as a substitute. After that, add 1 teaspoon of powdered cayenne pepper, and finally squeeze juice of half a lemon. Now stir the whole drink perfectly and wait for cayenne pepper to dissolve, because it is the hardest thing to dissolve. Otherwise, you can warm it to dissolve cayenne pepper easily. Let's see why these ingredients are so powerful and health benefiting. Apple cider vinegar. Apart from overall health aspects, apple cider vinegar has so many health benefits for the heart. It helps lower triglycerides, bad cholesterol, and of course lower blood sugar. It will bring down blood pressure levels and prevent plaquing. Turmeric. Turmeric is called miracle spice. I can say one of the most powerful spices in the world. For a healthy cardiovascular system, you must need turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps prevent the blockage of arteries. Cayenne pepper. Every heart patient should thank cayenne pepper, one of the finest natural remedies to improve lipid levels. Removing plaque from the arteries, cayenne pepper reduces bad cholesterol and triglycerides, and prevents the oxidation of the LDL cholesterol. Raw honey. As a superfood, raw honey contains powerful antioxidants, along with antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Lemon. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, helps boost up the immune system, and helps flush out those toxins throughout the body. Research has shown that lemon helps reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, let's talk about how many dosages you need. These healing ingredients can act differently in different person's body. I mean, everything doesn't suit with everyone. So, you can start with minimum intake and listen to your body digestive system. If your body digests it properly, then you can increase the dosage. Take this drink in the morning every day for 2 weeks, then stop for 1 week and restart. Things you should follow. If you are taking blood thinner medication, you shouldn't take this drink, because turmeric and cayenne pepper have the similar blood thinner elements. So, I recommend you should speak to your doctor before taking this remedy. For type 1 diabetes, a patient cannot take honey with the mixture. Type 2 diabetes, the patient can take honey but not more than 1 tablespoon. I hope you will try this drink every day. And don't worry, all of these are backed by Ayurveda medicine and modern science.